Hello, and welcome to a new episode of This Week on Campus, a weekly rundown of upcoming events for students, staff, and the community. I'm Luke Jansma.
And I'm Gage Sunison. This week we have stories about beginner exercise training and a Phi Theta Kappa educational forum. But first,
wear your sweatbands and athletic shorts for a series of dodgeball games that will be at the Robert E. Dunker Student Center on Thursday, November 15th from 7 to 9 p.m.
Join us for Western Iowa Tech's annual Veterans Day celebration. Celebration takes place on Tuesday, November 13th from 11:30 a.m. to 12:15 p.m. the atrium and outside the main entrance to the Robert Kaiser Building. The college will honor both students and employees who have served or are currently serving in the military. The event begins with the 185th Color Guard posting of the colors, national anthem by Western Iowa Tech Choir, followed by a short welcome from Dr. Terry Morrell and a reading from the Tribute for All Prisoners of War or the Missing in Action. The event is free to the public.
On Thursday, November 6th, Western Iowa Tech audio engineering, video and media, and broadcasting students covered the election from the Western Iowa Tech television studio, and it was streamed live to YouTube. Coverage also featured live updates from the Woodbury County Courthouse. Students broadcast several updates throughout the night, as well as live interviews with former state legislator and Western Iowa Tech Director of Government Relations, Steve Wardstadt. The production served as high-fidelity lab for students looking to work in the broadcast field.
The Seton Center for Behavioral Health will be offering a free parenting series for employees and students on Wednesday, October 24th through December 5th from 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. in the Wells Fargo's room L110. These classes are geared towards children 3 to 11 years old. Goals of the program include reducing aggressive and disruptive behavior, developing mutual support, enhancing family communication, and improving discipline methods used.
Feel free to attend Career Fair on Thursday, November 15th from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. In the hallway around campus, over 80 employers will be on and around campus that you will be able to talk and network with. This is a great way, early connections for the rest of your life. There will be bingo cards for students to turn in order to be entered into drawings after they have visited with the different employers.
Later, we'll have information about some free events you won't want to miss out on. But next, a quick look at the weather. Stay with us. Every day across the country, hundreds of college radio stations take to the air,
broadcasting music and programming that you won't hear anywhere else.
College radio changes the lives of those who are involved with it.
And can change those who listen to it too.
You can support college radio by donating to the College Radio Fund.
This fund gives financial grants to college stations that need it the most.
And is run by a nonprofit charity called the College Radio Foundation.
For more information, please visit collegeradio.org.
For a degree in audio engineering, Western Iowa Tech Community College is the place to go. Through the audio program, you'll get to learn from instructors with real-world experience through a combination of hands-on exercises, lecture, and real-world applications. You'll learn how to operate sound equipment for live events and sound design, such as mixing and editing for media. Upon graduation, you'll be ready for the world of audio mixing and production. Get going and visit witcc.edu to find out more information.
Welcome back.
The Beta Zeta Mu chapter of the Phi Theta Kappa Honor Society at Western Iowa Tech will hold an educational forum on Wednesday, November 14th from 12 to 1 p.m. in the Rockland Conference Center. The forum will examine the facts and impacts of organ donations, and there will be 4 different speakers. John Jorgensen, father of an organ donor and donor services coordinator of the Iowa Donor Network, Larry Wentz, local KMEG television anchor and organ recipient, Gwen Hall, and organ recipient, and Sharon Dykeshorn. Western Iowa Tech's librarian and the daughter of an organ donor.
Get an early start to your New Year's resolution by letting physical therapist assistant students help. On Monday, November 12th, you can learn how to use the weight room machines safely and effectively, and Monday, November 19th is Free Weights and Resistant Bands Day. Both of these days take place in the Robert E. Dunker Student Center at 2:30 p.m. Be sure to check the Western Iowa Tech Facebook page for more information. We hope to see you there.
And now, Genesis Ruiz joins us outside for the weather.
Thanks, Luke. We've seen our first proper snowfall of the winter, with most of Sioux City receiving a light dusting after a rather cold week. Saturday will be cold with lows in the 20s, getting no higher than 26, followed by a more diverse Sunday with lows around 18 and highs around 33. Hopefully beginning to melt some of the snow. Monday and Tuesday will have highs in the mid-20s, with Wednesday ushering in warmer weather with highs around in the upper 40s until Thursday. That's the weather. Back to you guys.
Thanks, Genesis.
The college will be closed to observe Thanksgiving on November 22nd. Campus offices will be open until 5 p.m. on Wednesday, the 21st. There will be no college services available on Friday, November 23rd, and Saturday, November 24th. The campus offices will reopen on Monday morning, November 26th.
Up next, we have some information about some free events you won't want to miss out on. Stick with us.
For a degree in video and media production, Western Iowa Tech is the place to go. Through the video program, you'll gain knowledge from instructors with real-world experience through a combination of hands-on exercises, lecture, and real-world applications. You'll learn how to shoot and edit video, the basics of lighting and sound, and scripting for TV and film. Upon graduation, you'll be ready to enter the world of live television and video production. Get going and visit witcc.edu for more information.
Every day, hundreds of college radio stations take to the air. Students are building skills they can use in the industry. They gain experience on the air and organizational talents that can be put to use in a workplace. Supporting college radio and donating to the College Radio Fund gives the colleges money to work with and opens the doors of limitless possibilities to students. The grants are given out by a nonprofit charity, the College Radio Foundation. Help prospective hires earn the experience they need. For more information, please visit collegeradio.org.
Phone interviews are often used by employers to screen potential hires before a face-to-face interview is conducted. Get some practice with real interview questions and gain valuable tips and insights from a professional with mock phone interviews through Western Iowa Tech. Half-hour sessions are available on Monday, November 12th from 1 to 4 p.m. Contact Carol Muhs with the email on screen or the link in the description below.
On Wednesday, November 7th from 6 to 8 p.m. in the Robert E. Dunker Student Center, Western Iowa Tech will be hosting Arts and Crafts presented by Pickled Palate for students and their families. Join us for a night of creativity and fun.
Do you like free movies? One Tuesday per month, you have an opportunity to get just that. Through a program offered by the Student Activities Director, Mike Brown, you can get a voucher to see any movie you would like at the Promenade located on 4th Street. Go to Mike Brown's office located near the gym to get your pass today.
Join us on every second Monday of the month at Drop Zone Family Fun Center from 6 to 8 p.m. You must show your WIT ID and families are welcome to come along.
If you have something you would like publicized on This Week on Campus, send it to thisweek@witcc.edu. This Week on Campus is a webcast from the Broadcasting and Multimedia Journalism and Video and Media Production programs in association with the Audio Engineering program at Western Iowa Tech Community College in Sioux City, Iowa.
New episodes of This Week on Campus are posted every Friday afternoon. For the latest content from our programs, please visit our website, witcc.tv, where you can find a direct link to our YouTube page. And be sure to subscribe. Thanks for joining us, and see you next week.